need to log in your Workspace console. Click on the banner link and choose the option you need. As commercial user, you need to choose the free option. You will read all details about the plan and bill in the service. Remember, Google is giving a special offer with 15% until 70% for the first year. In case you are non-commercial user because you have been using the service for personal, friendly or familiar reason, you need to choose the second option. In few words, you will keep the service as until today. And last, the system will show you a banner telling you thanks for choosing. Just remember to do this before June 27, 2022. And that is all you need to do. Thank you for watching.